Today I've got a routine for inner power and peace for you. Welcome to Happy Qi, Happy Me. My name is Nicole, so let's get started. First we will put our hands on top of our lower belly and we'll take deep breaths. So breathing in, allowing our belly to expand into our hands. And breathing out, allowing the belly to move back towards the spine. Breathing in, arriving here right now. And breathing out, letting go of the day so far. Breathing in. And out. And we'll take one last deep breath, breathing in. And out. Release. We'll start off by shaking into our hands, shaking into our arms, and then we'll start shaking into the whole body. And if you like, you can also bounce into your heels gently. We'll take deep breaths in, sighing out, in, out, releasing all the tension from the day. Letting go. Really shaking it all out. Making sure that you're letting go of everything that no longer serves you. Coming back to center. Just notice how you feel. Tuning in. Notice the energy in your body. Notice whether it has shifted. Next we'll do spreading the feathers. We'll bring our hands out to about 45 degrees and then we'll allow our head to move towards the shoulder. Really enjoying the stretch along our neck and upper back. We tend to hold on to any emotional things in that area. It tends to creep up, so this is a nice way to release, to breathe, renew, letting go. And then we can start to roll our head gently to the back and to the front. We'll do a few more of those, massaging out any tension that we can feel. And if you like, you can leave your head towards the back, so stretching more the front. Just spending a few seconds releasing, letting go. And then bringing the head forward, where we stretch more the back of the neck. Taking a few deep breaths. And then we'll come through the center to the other side. Our head against or towards the shoulder. Breathing in deeply. Breathing out, letting go. And then we can start rolling our head gently to the back and the front. Again, see if there's any tension. And if you can stretch or massage it out, if you can breathe into the area, letting it go. And again, next time you can just leave your head towards the back, stretching the front, taking a few deep breaths, letting go. And then coming forward with the head, stretching the back, breathing into the neck, the upper back, releasing, letting go. Coming back to the center. Notice how you feel. Notice if anything shifted for you. Now we'll reverse. We'll bring our hands out again, but the fingers are together. So again, bringing our head towards the shoulder. We're now stretching the other side. Again, we're working on releasing any tension in that area. Letting go of any emotional build-up, any stuff that no longer serves us. And then we can start rolling our head to the back and the front. Coming through the center towards the other side. Taking a few deep breaths. Breathing into the neck. To the upper back, shoulders. Letting go. And then start rolling your head gently to the back and the front. Make sure you're continuing to take deep breaths. Letting go of anything that no longer serves us. Coming back to the center, release. Notice how your neck, your shoulders, your upper back feel. Now we'll go into some flowing movements. We'll allow our hands to float up to about shoulder height and back down. Breathing in as the hands float up and breathing out as they float back down. In and out. Flowing movements a bit like water. They're gentle, but then when it all comes together, they can have quite a fair bit of strength. So they help us to build strength in the body in the long term. We'll do one more. Allowing our hands to float back down. Then we'll bring one hand below, the other circles up and comes down the center. We'll do the other side. Up and down the center. You can breathe in as the hand comes up and breathe out as it comes back down. In and out. We'll do one more with each arm. And then we'll repeat. We'll do opening the flow again, allowing our hands to float up to shoulder height and back down. Again, taking deep breaths of breathing in and breathing out. We'll do a few more in our own time. Couple more. And one last one. We'll bring our feet together and then we'll do one last centering. Our arm circles up and down the center, switching hands. Breathing in as the hand comes up and breathing out as it comes back down. And one last one on each arm. And we'll finish off exactly the same way that we started. So bringing our hands on our belly, taking a few deep breaths. So breathing in, breathing out, letting go, breathing in, breathing out, feeling your feet on the floor connected to the earth. And one last deep breath, breathing in and breathing out, letting go. I hope you enjoyed this routine. Please feel free to share with your friends and family, and of course like it. And I will see you next time. Bye.